Today, I'm excited to show you how to use HeyGen, the AI video generator, for free. Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly talk about what HeyGen is. HeyGen allows you to create high quality videos using AI technology. You can generate videos for marketing, social media, or even personal projects in just a few minutes. To get started, go to the HeyGen website at heygen.com and click on sign up. Enter your email address. Now check for mail. Now create a password. Click on create account. Now click on explore features. Now after that, here you're on the dashboard. You can start creating HeyGen with mobile by using Waze feature. To get more access to it, you can use desktop version. You can create avatar video, video translations, and many more. Let's click on avatar video. Now to create an avatar video, you need to enter your video description here. Here you need to create or simply enter your script. Now simply let's choose a template. Click on create video. Now it may take some time to process your video. You can also adjust the video length and layout. And your video will be emailed shortly. For the best experience, you can also use the desktop version. And that's it. You've successfully created a video using HeyGen's AI video generator.